Monday Minute at Automation Direct. Check out our new non-contact guard locking RFID coded safety switches from the brand IDEM. IDEM non-contact RFID coded safety switches from Automation Direct are designed to provide interlock protection on hinged, sliding, or removable guard doors. These switches are particularly advantageous when poor guard alignment exists, when high-level anti-tamper is required, where high-hygiene requirements exist, or where long mechanical life is required. When used in combination with a dual-channel safety relay or control device, IDEM non-contact safety switches can provide protection up to Category 4 and PLE to ISO 13849-1. The new IDEM KLP-Z, KLM-Z, and KL3-Z series tongue interlock safety switches with guard locking and RFID coding fit into the leading edge of machine guard doors to provide robust guard locking while also providing a double tamper resistant interlock mechanism. Providing position detection for moving guards, these switches remain locked until a solenoid voltage is applied to the switch. The switches can also be used in conjunction with delay timers to provide the solenoid energized signal only after a predetermined amount of time has passed. Also, new IDEM LMF series stainless steel RFID coded safety switches provide a wide 10 mm sensing distance, and new M18 Cylindrical barrel series safety switches offer high tolerance for misalignment after sensing and are suitable for all industry applications. IDEM CUL-US and CE approved non-contact guard locking RFID coded safety switches from Automation Direct are backed by a 1-year warranty. Learn more by visiting AutomationDirect.com/safety-switches. Click here to see other Monday Minute videos. Click here to see more products from Automation Direct.